I'm going to show you super quick how to grease up your garage door in my very messy garage. Here we go. The two products we're going to use are these: Lucas White Lithium Grease and WD-40 Protective White Lithium Grease. Both of these will be linked in the description below if you want to purchase them. First thing we're going to do is we're going to take our can of spray and we're going to spray all the rollers and the brackets for the rollers. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my Lucas White Lithium Grease and I'm going to spread a bead on the track. I'm not going to get too much, but I definitely want to get liberal coverage. Okay, now that you've got the rollers greased and the track greased, I don't need to grease my other rollers. Those are fairly new. Everything should be good to go. You don't need to grease this thing because there's no gears in there. It's just a single motor hooked in to the screw. So now all we're going to do is test it. I can't tell you what a major difference that made the garage door almost silent, super quiet. It was a loud racket before. I'm going to do this regularly, 6 months, a year, whenever I hear it getting a little loud, keep that garage door lubed. You can do this too, super easy. Subscribe for more to come below.